Good morning and welcome, Team Southside, where teamwork makes the dream work. Mr. Reynolds here with three special friends. Please tell me your name and your homeroom.
I am Annabelle Fannin from Miss Mullenax's class.
Charlotte Trevisano from Miss Mullenax's class.
I'm Evie Hayes from Miss Blevins' class.
All right, I'll tell you why each of these three girls are on the announcements with us in just a minute, but right now let's go ahead and stand and prepare for the pledge.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump right to our word of
the week.
And our word of the week is what, Charlotte?
Computation.
Computation. And so computation just simply means to be able to solve problems. It's the steps that you take to solve a problem. And usually we're talking about math when we're talking about computation. So I would like for each of you to tell me how you are using computation in your math class this week. Girls want to start?
Okay. We are solving problems to dividing and multiplying decimals with place value.
So it definitely takes a lot of computation to do that, right? A lot of work to solve those problems. Evie, what are you guys doing?
I'm counting money.
Ooh, so you have lots of different coins, like nickels and dimes and pennies and stuff, and you have to figure out how much there is all together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to do a lot of computation for that, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Charlotte, you have anything you want to add?
So in math we have to like the different place values of the decimal, and we have to like put them correctly on the chart and like what like place it is like.
All right, girls, see if you can tell me this question. What is the number one rule when you are adding or subtracting decimals? You must do what? Let me give you a hint. You must line
them up.
Line up the decimal point, right? Because if you don't line up that decimal point, you can't add or subtract them correctly.
Yes.
You're exactly right. So if you don't do that, you've already messed it up from the start. All right, so lots of computation going on around our whole school. Of course, you guys have math class every day and pretty much every time you're doing computation, but there are other times too. And an example of computation is something that Evie did at the family fun night a couple of nights ago. Evie, what do you got here in your hand and what's going on with that?
I got a jar full of Starburst. I guessed 108 and it was the closest to 110, so I won it. First I looked at the box and then I counted the red Starburst and then the pink, then the orange and then the yellow, and then I added them up.
Oh, so we had our own little estimistry at the math family fun night the other night, and Evie was one of the students that entered the estimation contest, and she estimated 108, and the actual number is 110. She was closest. So congratulations, Evie, on doing that computation and finding the answer to our estimistry from the family fun night. All right, and then we also have a couple of winners of our yearbook cover contest. And so here you'll see a picture of their winning design. And girls, can you tell us a little bit about it and why you chose to make that design?
So we chose to make this design because we wanted to show no matter how we looked or no matter what we did, we would always be better together, and we're always
like Southside's one big community together.
That's right, because the theme this year is Better Together, right? And so I really love your design. It's fantastic. And there were several of them that we voted for, and yours got the most votes. And so congratulations. Your artwork, your cover is going to be on there for the rest of our lives, right? We still look back at ones that are back from when I was in school or when I was the teacher here and see those and look at those covers. So that's really neat for you to be able to do that. Congratulations, girls. All right, guys, of course, every day we expect to see our stallions being
safe, respectful, and responsible.
And
it's always a great day to be a Southside Stallion. Bye.
Bye.